To trade on Robinhood, start by downloading and installing the app on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account by providing basic information such as your name, email address, and password. You will also need to provide some personal and financial information to comply with regulatory requirements. After your account is set up, you will need to fund it by linking your bank account and transferring money into your Robinhood account. This can be done through the app by navigating to the Transfer Funds section and following the prompts. Next, you will need to choose the type of account you want to open, such as a cash account or a margin account. A cash account allows you to trade with the money you have deposited, while a margin account allows you to borrow money from Robinhood to trade with. To place a trade, navigate to the Trade section of the app and search for the stock or other security you want to buy or sell. Enter the number of shares you want to trade and confirm the transaction. You can also set a limit order, which allows you to specify the price at which you want to buy or sell a stock. One of the key concepts to understand when trading on Robinhood is the difference between a market order and a limit order. A market order is an order to buy or sell a stock at the current market price, while a limit order is an order to buy or sell a stock at a specific price. It is also important to understand the fees associated with trading on Robinhood. Robinhood is known for its commission-free trading, which means that you do not have to pay a fee to buy or sell stocks, options, or cryptocurrencies. However, you may still be subject to other fees, such as regulatory fees or transfer fees. To get the most out of trading on Robinhood, it is a good idea to set a budget and stick to it, as well as to educate yourself on the basics of investing and trading. You should also be aware of the risks associated with trading, including the potential for losses. Finally, it is a good idea to regularly review your portfolio and adjust your investments as needed. This can help you stay on track with your financial goals and ensure that your investments are aligned with your risk tolerance and investment strategy.